You want to allow everyone to mention you on Instagram into their stories, into their caption, into their comments or whatever. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app. So just, and after that, just come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right, and then come to settings and privacy, and then in settings and privacy scroll a little bit until you get the option of tags and mentions. Just simply tap on that option, and then here you can see the option of who can mention you on the second number. Just simply from this section, just tap on allow mentions from everyone, like in this way. So that's how you can easily allow mentions from everyone. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.